Monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition is a market structure where many firms sell similar but slightly differentiated products. Firms have some pricing power but face competition from other firms offering close substitute goods. Definition and characteristics. Definition. Monopolistic competition is a market structure where many firms sell differentiated products allowing for some control over pricing. Product differentiation. Firms in monopolistic competition offer products that are similar but not identical, allowing for brand loyalty and product variety. Large number of firms. There are many sellers in a market, monopolistically competitive market, each with a relatively small market share. Free entry or exit. Firms can easily enter or exit the market as there are low barriers to entry. Differentiated product. In monopolistic competition, firms sell differentiated products that are similar but not identical. This allows firms to compete on factors like quality, features, and branding rather than solely on price. Differentiation gives consumers more choices and firms the ability to charge higher prices than perfect competition. However, firms must still compete with substitutes. Price and output determination, demand curve, profit maximization, excess capacity. In monopolistic competition, a firm faces a downward sloping demand curve, indicating consumers' willingness to pay a higher price for differentiated products. Profit maximization. The firm will produce the quantity where marginal revenue equals marginal cost to maximize profit. Setting a price above the minimum point on the average cost curve, excess capacity due to different productization, the firm will operate at a point where there is a excess capacity producing less than the quantity that would minimize average cost. Barriers to entry. In monopolistic competition, firms face significant barriers to entry, which protects the profits of existing firms. These barriers can include profit differentiation, brand loyalty, economies of scale, and legal restrictions. Firms in monopolistic competition invest heavily in advertising and branding to create perceived differences between their products and those of competitors. This makes it challenging the new firms to enter the market and gain market share. Advertising and branding. In monopolistic competition, firms engage in aggressive advertising and branding to differentiate their products from competitors. Effective branding can create brand loyalty and allow firms to charge higher prices. Firms use a variety of advertising tactics from catchy slogans to celebrity endorsements to make their products stand out in a crowded marketplace. This helps them maintain their market share and pricing power. The brand extension, line extension, derived branding strategy, and individual branding. Profit maximization, marginal revenue and marginal cost. Firms in monopolistic competition seek to maximize profit by producing where marginal revenue equals marginal cost, similar to monopoly. Pricing power. Due to product differentiation, firms have some pricing power and can charge a price above the perfectly competitive level. Optimizing output. The firm will produce the quantity where the difference between total revenue and total cost is maximized, known as the profit maximizing output. In the long run, firms will enter and exit the market until economic profits are driven to zero, and the industry reaches a long run equilibrium. Inefficiency and welfare implications. Dead by clause, reduced consumers and producer surplus, allocated inefficiency, price exceeds marginal cost, productive inefficiency, firms operative above minimum cost. In monopolistic competition, firms may have some market power to set prices above market marginal cost. This results in a dead weight loss. As the consumer are priced out of the market, the resources are allocated inefficiently. Additionally, the lack of competitive pressure means the firms do not operate at the most productive scale. leading to higher costs that are passed on consumers.